Yeah.
Okay. So you should have at this point 2 pinch pots. When you make your second pinch pot, try and make it about the same size as the other one, because you're going to actually put those 2 together, smooth them out to make a ball. Now, I'm going to take my tool, and I've got to remember, I've got to slip and score when I attach 2 pieces of clay. So, I'm going to go around my edge. I'm going to really cut it. I don't want it to be nice and pretty anymore. I want it to be very rough. So I go different directions. Don't be dainty. No. Really make it rough. That'll help it stick together. Same thing with the other piece. You've got to do both. If you don't do both, it's not going to stay together. Or it'll just break on you in some spots. Again, a little bit of extra work here at this moment in time is going to save you a lot of headaches and trouble later on. Okay, so now I have both of them scored. I'm going to take my sponge and I'm going to do some slip. So I add a little bit of water on both pieces. And then I match up those pieces. At first, it looks like a really ugly hamburger. But now, and almost again, kind of get close for this one, I'm going to take it and smooth it out by not like smashing it together, okay? You've got to really kind of scrape that clay. And I go different directions with it as I'm going around so that, you know, I don't make one pinch pot too thin than the other one. And I just seal up that edge. And if I keep sealing up the edge, it's going to be a nice, smooth, like pretty much, you know, a hollow, so just air inside ball. Now, the reason we have to make it hollow is because if I put clay in the kiln that was this thick, it would never survive. One, it would use a lot of clay, and clay is expensive. We can't do that. And two, it would crack and break apart as it sat and got fired in the kiln. So we've got to make it hollow so that it can dry out fast, and so that we don't waste clay, and so that it doesn't break and crack when it's in our kiln. All right, so see, just me smoothing it for that amount of time, it's getting better and better. Spend some time smoothing it, and you'll be surprised how kind of nice you can get it to look. All right, that's it for now.